All right, let's spend a few minutes walking through the settings screens for the iOS version of the 3pTalk application. So if you're in any folder screen in the lower right corner, you're going to have the menu button. If you click on that, you'll be taken to the settings screen where you can see the pattern lock, the About 3pTalk, About the certificate, change block user message, change OTP, and of course here at the bottom, logout. We'll take a few minutes to walk through each of these screens in turn. First up is pattern lock. So this is the ability to lock the application so that whether or not you lock your device, have a screen lock, you can have a screen lock or an app lock, if you will, for 3pTalk, so that you have to know a pattern to unlock the application to read the messages, which works independently of the screen lock for your Apple device. So you simply turn on or click on the turn on pattern lock off or on. In this case it's off, so we're going to click on off to turn it on. We will be prompted to provide and draw a pattern twice to confirm it, at which point we'll be brought back to the pattern lock screen, which will then be on. And of course we can change the pattern at any time, where we'll be asked for the current pattern and then be asked to provide a new pattern twice, and that will then be applied. That's it for pattern lock. The next item is About 3pTalk. Nothing complicated here. You can click on the word About 3pTalk at the top, or the phrase About 3pTalk, and that will take you to the 3ptalk.com website where you can learn more about the service and the application, etc. The version of the mobile app that you're using right now on Apple, and the phone number that you're logged in using as well. Next settings screen is About the certificate. This is really purely just informational and for demo functions to show you exactly that there is indeed a public key infrastructure in place, and you do have your own private key pair. And if you're interested in the cryptography certificate structure, you can see who the issuer is and all the information that goes into a good standard PKI certificate. Next item is the block user message. This is the message that's going to be sent to anyone that you choose to block. You'll notice that the first time you get a message from anyone, you're going to be asked whether or not you wish to receive messages from them or not. If you say yes, then they will be set unblocked, of course, and you will receive messages from them. If you say no, they will be blocked and they will receive a copy of this message. The message on the screen here, please be advised this user is not accepting messages at this time. It's the stop message set at the time of installation. But you can override this and put a custom greeting in here as well. Make sure you hit the save button to save the changes. The next screen is Change OTP. As the big red text says here, do not change this setting from the default unless instructed to do so. You've probably seen a round P button on the menu of the application, and that is for password, for OTP, which is one-time password. This is for future functionality that we'll be announcing sites to be using the one-time password functionality in the future. But regardless, you shouldn't make any changes here unless instructed to do so, and self-explanatory from there. Last but not least is log out. Please pay attention to the warning here. If you do log out, you will not receive messages. Right? While 3pTalk looks and acts like SMS, it is not using the SMS or the texting capabilities of your phone. Your phone merely being on does not mean that you will get 3pTalk messages. You must be logged in and able to communicate across the internet to get 3pTalk messages. So we do not recommend that you log out unless you absolutely positively are sure you do not wish to receive messages, because users won't even be able to send them while you are logged out. Hopefully this walkthrough of the settings screen has been helpful. Thank you for your use of 3pTalk. Contact us if you have any further questions. Thank you.